easier instructions on how to assemble an Outsunny Lean-to greenhouse. Many English-speaking people will be aware that most China-made product assembly instruction manuals are usually very difficult to understand, highly frustrating and time-consuming. So, after experiencing numerous problems with assembling an Outsunny Lean-to greenhouse, I thought it was time to produce foolproof instructions to save you a load of problems. Thank you for watching. To be effective, the location of any greenhouse is paramount, and in the UK should always be facing south, southeast or southwest, in the open, and ideally not near trees or high buildings. I should explain why the greenhouse in this film is where it is. It is in a small unused yard which catches the sun on most days, and the main purpose is to capture heat more than for growing plants. It deliberately overlaps the window of a bathroom extension where heat loss is evident in winter. Essential answers. Could delivery of the item be a problem? Yes. I tried to buy from a DIY shop, Amazon and others, but no supplier would offer collection or a guaranteed delivery day, AM or PM. I ended up buying direct from, presumably, a main importer. The item arrived in 2 boxes, delivered on different days at different times. Be warned, the box of metal parts is heavy for one person to lift, so unpack all parts at the point of delivery. The polycarbonate sheet pack can remain unopened until the window is ready for assembly. Are the parts easy to identify? About 80% of the metal parts are, but several of mine had numbers missing or were incorrectly numbered. The main pieces, unfortunately, are in mixed bundles, so before assembly you should line the pieces up against a wall and make certain that all the parts have been included. What are the right tools for the job? Can the door be at any end? Yes, but you will probably need to drill at least 2 new holes on the closed end frame, in the same positions as on the door end frame. How many persons are needed? 2 people are better, but 1 person can do the job. Supports may be needed when attaching 2 sections or fitting the roof ridge. On a still day, how much time does it really take for 1 person to assemble? Take a look at this clock and halve the recommended time if 2 people are involved with the construction. Decide exactly where the greenhouse will be permanently erected. It must be on hard, level, weed-free ground or flat stones with easy access to the greenhouse door. Beware breaking or disturbing existing essential brickwork, pipework, drains or electrics. Attach the 3 base panels to the legs using the 12 x F3 hexagonal bolts, not the F10 flat-headed ones. The panels are mited at the 2 corner joints. Nuts should only be hand tightened at this stage. Stand the assembled base on the proposed area and mark where holes in the ground should be made for the legs. In my example, the solid concrete ground sloped significantly, and therefore no rear legs were possible. So were sawn off, and the base had to be cut with a hacksaw in order to clear a pipe. Holes were drilled into the concrete, the base was levelled, and then all nuts were tightened. For the following assemblies, 2 to 5, all flat-headed nuts and bolts were hand tightened only until the full frame was complete, level and square. Unlike the manual, the complete closed end can be assembled on the ground or over the base, with the inside of the frame facing up. Assemble the closed end in the following order. The closed end is now complete and can be stored away temporarily. Unlike the manual, the complete door end, including the door track, can be assembled on the ground or over the base with the inside of the frame facing up. Assemble the door end in the following order. The door end is now complete and can be stored away temporarily. Unlike the manual, the complete long side can be assembled on the ground or over the base with the inside of the frame facing up. Assemble the long side in the following order. The long side is now complete and can be attached to the end assemblies along with the roof bars. The closed end needs to be held in place by either guy ropes, timber or metal supports, or by another person while it is being fixed to the long side, both sections in position on top of the base. The door end needs similar support while it is fixed to the long side. The closed end, door end and long side B2 brackets can now be hooked and tightened onto the base. The roof ridge bar may need support while it is attached to both the closed end and door end. Please note, if there is an obstacle in the way, like a drain pipe, the top bar of the window should be slid into the roof ridge bar at this stage instead of later. Assemble the rest of the roof section in the following order. Now check that the complete frame is level and all right angles are perfect. If fully satisfied, tighten all the nuts except the window frame support. Now attach the greenhouse to a wall using brackets or plugs and screws. For the latter, you will need to drill extra holes through the frame as necessary. The complete window can be assembled on the ground, even indoors, with the inside of the frame facing up. Pull back some of the outside facing white plastic film, which is removed after full assembly. Slide the polycarbonate sheet Q5 into both side frames before attaching both the top bar and window catch bar. Tighten the bolts fully except the top bar. Attach the window catch to the frame with the long F9 screw. Depending on how much room you have at the end of the roof ridge bar, you can either remove the top bar temporarily or keep the window complete. Now take care and slide the top bar or window frame into the center of the ridge bar of the main frame. Once the window is in place and fitting perfectly into the main roof frame, you can tighten all the bolts. The complete door can be assembled on the ground, even indoors. But this time, the outside of the frame is facing up. Assemble the door in the following order. Now take care in sliding the door into the main frame, the correct way round. The plastic glazing panels should already be in the window and door. The remaining plastic glazing panels are easy to fit using the glazing clips supplied. Make certain that the glazing clips are applied correctly. Then add the plastic end caps. Now all that remains is that you fill in any spaces below the frame with bricks and mortar. Your Outsunny Lean-to greenhouse is now complete.